Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru channel. Today I will show you how to create a standard sub account in Bybit on the website. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in into your Bybit main account and click on sub account under the profile icon. Then step 2. Click on create sub account. Step 3. Select the type of sub account you would like to create. For standard sub account, you will only be required to enter a username without password settings. In this case, you can only log in to this sub account via account switch from the main account. If you want to log in via the login page, you can set a password afterwards. For custom sub account, you need to create a password upon settings, and you can log in via your login page. To allow an instant account switch from the main account, you need to manually enable the account switch features. Note: the custodial trading subaccount is not a standard subaccount, as it allows inventors to entrust the funds to professional trading teams for asset management. Step 4. Select the type of subaccount you wish to open and enter your preferred username and password if needed. Notes: once the subaccount is created, it will not be possible to change the subaccount username. Step 5. You have successfully created a standard subaccount. And that's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.